How to create a skill character animation in After Effects. This effect adds a nice touch when used for the title text at the beginning of a video. And it's equally cool for subtitles. Let's dive right into the video. Start by typing some text. Use the shortcut Ctrl-T to access the type tool. Then click on the preview area and type what you want. Position the text where you want it and set the anchor point in the middle of the text. Awesome. Now let's add animation to the text. Expand the text layer, click on animate and choose scale. Now create a keyframe for scale at the beginning with a value of 0. Move a bit further in the timeline and add another keyframe with a value above 100. The best effect usually falls between 110 and 130, so feel free to experiment. Now go a little further in the timeline and add a keyframe with a value of 100. Select all the keyframes and make them easy ease. You can use the shortcut F9 for this. And by the way, don't forget to turn on motion blur to the text layer. You can also apply this effect to your subtitles, so experiment to achieve the best result. And there we go, you've successfully created a skill character animation in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.